What's poppin'? It's your girl Nation, and I'm back again with another video. So today we have my mama, my sister, and my brother. Y'all wanna introduce yourself? Mama go first.
I'm Nunu, the mom.
It's Keela.
TJ.
And we got Prince.
That's me, mom.
Okay, so we got some shrimp, some chicken wings, and some corn. And my mama's special sauce. My mama made this, y'all. So she'll do a cooking video if y'all want her to. Just put it in the comment section down below and just let her know what y'all want to do. She'll say it. Yeah, she will. She know how to cook. But anyways, okay, y'all ready to get to the video?
Oh,
Yes.
we didn't show it. We didn't tell them all you had.
I did. I
Closer to
said.
the camera, don't you think?
I said. I'm gonna show y'all a picture.
She
I
just
took a
big,
picture.
so
I can show
one
them a
of them.
picture, Mom.
Oh,
I took a
you can show
picture.
them a picture. Okay.
I'm gonna put it in. It's gonna be right
I
here.
want to start with me a chicken.
We can start now. Let me go ahead and pop my drink open. We doing the mukbang. I forgot to say that. Okay, I want to start with chicken and food.
We got Jordan in a minute, 1938 behind us. The license is coming from the camera.
Right. Mom, this sauce but stop, Prince.
Squeeze your lemon on it with the chicken.
I look ghetto. Look.
It's corn. So this time I.
What, baby?
Mm.
Hold on. Let me take a bite of my corn.
Mm.
So what y'all want to talk about?
Oppositions.
TJ, what is you doing? Is he laughing?
How you just want to be? How you don't want to get on the video?
Right.
Y'all, we got jumbo shrimp too.
You got some corn.
That corn good, ain't it?
Oh, with some lemon. You got lemon.
Yeah.
Prince, don't fall. You gonna get Prince.
Yes.
I ain't did a YouTube video in so long, but
In 6 months, y'all. Y'all need to get
that's
it.
because I've been baking in the oven.
That's because I hadn't cooked in 6 months.
You might they see my channel, they're gonna see that you just cooked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna zoom. Oh, I can't wait to edit this. Let me finish. My new wings, but
I ain't trying one.
Everything bust, baby.
don't fall, Prince. Come on now. His food right here, y'all. So don't think he ain't eat. He ate before
Look,
the video.
dip the sauce, dip the corn back in the sauces on the plate.
I
Prince.
did.
Mama don't want you to fall, baby.
Oh, boo.
Yeah.
Dip your corn and back in the sauce on that plate. That's all.
No, I don't got the coronavirus. I'm choking on the sauce.
You don't know that.
What you say?
Huh? Did you try your corn?
No coronavirus this way. I'm choking on
Y'all
the sauce.
sorry we're not talking that much. We hungry.
We ain't hungry. We ain't that hungry.
But
That's
it's
what you
good.
trying to call be fat. See what I'm talking about?
Mama, Tama is good.
Y'all got some more bread.
What, wings? You only ate one? You gave him 3, ain't it? What gonna get Prince?
I mean, I ain't gonna eat that much because I ate Oreo.
Well, that's good for you.
Right, what about us?
Baby.
We gonna eat this.
Yeah.
I saw the little feet going and all on the shrimp.
I still have soda stuck in my throat, so
Oh.
I do not got no corona. What y'all putting y'all stuff on?
On
I
your
thought that was
back,
supposed to
sweetie.
wipe our mouth.
That was good.
Oh!
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 Put that lemon juice on the shrimp.
Oh, not on the shrimp.
Oh.
sauce.
You can do it. It don't matter. I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Mm.
Now I'm finna
Oh.
dip it with the sauce.
Dump it with the sauce.
Can y'all see it?
Dip. Pass it. Hey, 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 hey.
No white.
Don't do that. Don't do that, baby, because your daddy's white. Your father.
Ooh. Mm.
Girl.
See how you told Chip it was just soda? He got water bottle.
What's this?
Exactly.
Mm.
Nigga, I love water.
Oh,
Damn.
my sis.
You done?
No, man.
Oh, loud.
Where the paper towel?
I don't know, baby.
I
I don't know
put
what
them
a
right here.
swamp.
Grandma was let us get this. That's why I asked y'all what y'all wiping on his with. What y'all want to talk about?
About like how we been doing, like why have you be posting this stuff?
How our man and boyfriend can't handle the pranks that we be trying to do. They try to get oppositional.
OPP, baby.
One in the background smoking a cigarette. You know what the what's going on. But let's make us a coronavirus line right quick.
Okay. We're going to chew off food first.
Hold on. Give me one of them napkins.
You want of mine?
Nigga, ain't that serious.
It is that fucking stuff. You can let have, Mom.
I'm good.
So you was? Well, give me the other half. Mom.
I ain't ate all day. Don't do that.
You acting like, like, you know,
Wait, these spicy?
No,
no.
sir. They're not.
Dang.
What are jumbo
Let me
shrimp?
put you a couple over there so you ain't gotta worry.
Live out.
I do.
Okay.
Throat burn.
What's the coronavirus song?
Oh, what?
What's the coronavirus song?
I don't know. Since TJ, he the rapper.
No.
Icy Baby the rapper.
I'm not making no song about coronavirus. I said I want to
Coronavirus.
do that.
Coronavirus.
Girl, you
got
got
that
Cardi
shit?
B.
Oh!
I might try to.
How about this? Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Who's that, Chris? I mean, Michael Jackson?
Yeah.
I just already knew. As soon as it started sprout. Oh, yeah, we can do that. Guess the song. I mean, guess who sing the song?
That part. All right.
Go TJ.
God, I don't even know how to sing.
You ain't gotta sing. Just don't do nothing. Never mind, because you be doing stuff we don't know. All right, I'm gonna go.
I'ma go.
I listen to weird music. That's what I'm saying.
Me too. Oh, I don't even know who's out.
Kevin Gates.
Oh yeah. Wait, no, do you say that?
Yeah.
How I go?
Me too.
Touching the top of your.
When I give you the smack, make it say ooh, we don't run, but your arch in the side. What I said?
I'm knocking them out. You talking about girl?
Kevin Gates overrated. Kevin Gates overrated.
Mom, why every time I drink my drink, it's not going nowhere?
Young boy is too.
Is your drink cold?
It's like cotton in your throat, baby.
No, I'm talking about.
This video was 9 minutes. Feel how long did it have to be 15 minutes?
This
But you go. It's gonna. You gonna edit it.
Hold on, it's been 9 minutes already.
I don't think I'm gonna delete nothing though. Everything was fine.
I know, but I'm talking about like you can't
Put
watch
stuff
every-
in there?
every part. Yeah, you can't watch every.
I mean, I might just let it go in there like that.
Mm.
I'm putting an intro in. Oh, this should be unedited.
Yeah, unedited video. Wait, no, because I was digging up my nose. I didn't do that.
Corn, baby. Corn.
Quarantine.
I mean corn at the quarantine.
Quarantine What's called quarantine mukbang. Unedited.
Hey, little booster. Don't this corn look good?
Where's the? I get need that. Put your pussy lips on. I get $1,000. I get $1,000.
Hold on, give me 2 shrimp. Do what you do. You take 2 of these shrimp, put them beside each other. Here I go, here I go. Oh, got me trying to sweet as
Gina, you don't want your shit. You use this.
Got me.
Right. You gonna give me that $1,000? I don't lie.
Fuck, how much money y'all gonna see these assholes?
Right. What y'all want to talk about?
We been out.
You right.
How we been doing on social medias and stuff like that.
I've been doing bad.
He just made a new.
Let's talk
YouTube
about
channel.
something all of us can talk about. Mom don't really be on her phone.
I can't post
What
nothing.
social media?
I don't care, baby. I'm eating. That's
He
all that
just
matters.
made a YouTube
Right.
channel.
You don't understand that.
Because on my SoundCloud.
See, we got the small shrimp over there. We got the
Mom.
Yes, Grace.
So I can't post no more music.
Right. That's right.
Too
Yo,
late.
this shit I gotta buy. This shit I gotta buy something for
Yes,
a minute,
baby.
man.
What you gotta buy?
What?
Called Max Pro on
Come on,
SoundCloud.
mommy.
How much is that?
I don't know. I gotta see.
Y'all don't mind my baby having his forehead.
What's
Just
the coin,
about-
baby?
This is I was
Come
about
on.
to release my new album.
Say thank you.
Stop. Give me a kiss.
Got tomato nose, me mom.
Okay, get up there.
But
It's good.
What?
she been active on Instagram and TikTok a lot.
What you mean acting? What you she been doing on it?
Active.
Oh.
I mean, she been on it a lot.
Okay.
Stripping fast and making the candy.
Mom, look at that sauce.
You know
on-
what?
Mom.
Stripping fast, making
You
cash.
been stripping on Instagram?
You
With a
didn't.
belly?
No.
Sorry to tell you.
Elijah!
Stop playing with me.
Yeah.
Mama, look.
Eat time. Who
You
you like
want
that
it?
man that said Julia? Julia.
My lemon is about to go.
Like with eyes, space.
The moon. I'm finna try this first time with a lemon.
Did you just choke Mom?
Baby, that was my throat, baby. I ain't got no reflex. That's all that was.
What? I don't want you to fall, Stan.
Don't do that in defect.
What?
You ain't got no sound in your throat neither.
What, baby? I think you want a lemon. Who ain't got nothing in their lemon? Cause he ain't got nothing in your lemon. Get the prince. No, Mom, you got stuff in your Huh?
You don't need no lemon with his fat
Eat
self.
this side. Just get some, please.
Get some.
Dang.
Look, see Okay, sit back before you. Look at this. I'm getting full. I ain't gonna even lie.
Me too, but it don't matter.
Exactly, me too.
I'm already full, but I'm still
See, one thing about me, I ain't trying to wear no waist train.
What?
I ain't trying to wear no waist train, baby. I don't care.
Huh? Where is Grant?
Mama, show me.
Mama,
Mama, show
Jackson
them
5 over
your
here?
woe.
Right.
Mama, show them your
that?
woe.
So I don't like.
Your woe.
What is that?
What?
I cannot do that.
I need a jumbo shrimp. They all gone? I just ate it. I see one. What, baby? You want one? Your bowl is right here, but you don't want to eat
What's
it.
that? Yo, bowl.
Cause he trying to play, like he hungry. But he won't take his plate.
You got
I know he won't take them.
Look at my baby in the video.
Cause he want us to feed him.
Feed him there. You're the mother.
I am. He my mother. Let me use yours. Y'all see that? Y'all can take the first bite. It's like the
Y'all want first bite?
No.
Girl, that's like the 7 or 9.
You should say you.
Nah.
I'm full.
Where's Franklin? Where's Franklin?
You right here.
BB.
She didn't want you. Come on,
BB.
let mama clean you out there. What you getting? See, look, Mom, this is what you want to do. I am. That it was busted, huh?
I am, but I still gotta eat because it's so good.
Nigga, I can't breathe.
Me neither. But it's so good.
I'm about to pass out.
I did that.
This video is unedited.
No, it has to be edited. So
Ugh.
it's long for the 15.
Wow. It's okay.
No.
Stomach hurt.
Oh.
Yes, it is. It's mine.
Oh, there.
How some people, how YouTube is when they be doing the video be longer than 15
I know.
minutes?
I don't know.
Because they be using computers.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I'm getting one.
Like to upload?
Mm-hmm.
Edit. Yeah,
When I'm gonna delete though? Every part was good.
Oh my God, it was so good.
It was hard for me.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready to finish the
I
video?
bet you want a shrimp. Yeah.
Huh? Y'all ready? Okay, so I guess that's all for this video. Y'all seen, you know, my mama threw down. If y'all want to know the recipe, just comment in the section down below. And she's gonna make a YouTube channel. Y'all go subscribe to her channel. Go subscribe to my little sister channel, Honey Squad.
No. Oh, yeah.
T-Day got a YouTube.
Duh.
What's your YouTube?
I see baby.
Go subscribe to Icy Baby
And my
challenge.
baby do that music. My baby can be killing that music.
Period.
Period. Point blank.
But I guess that's all.
Drop that,
Make sure
pulling up with PowerPoint.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. And comment more videos and stuff y'all want us to do. Y'all want to say
And
hi?
pranks.
If y'all want me to
And
jump
pranks.
off,
Yeah,
And
we gonna do
pranks,
pranks.
because we'll be
Period.
playing with them pranks, baby.
10,000
Period.
likes if y'all want me to jump off the top of this house.
You too scared, baby.
I do.
He's scared. He's scared.
Oh, I just did 180 subscribers.
You scared. Scared. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Se me hace